Hey guys, you're welcome back. As of recording, I'm going to show you guys some of the profits I've made from Luna. That's a Lunc, the Luna Classic. So this is 27%. This is about 331. So this 331% is where we made one of the most massive profits. I think depending on what you call massive, but it was massive for us. We use it quite a reasonable leverage. So you see we also got 730 here. You can check out the entry price. You can see the entry price is even the same thing. We added leverage, so whenever you add leverage, it sometimes it usually increases. Add when you add margin, it could increase your entry price. So this was during the pump of Luna. As of recording, Luna is currently pumping Luna Classic. So you can see we got up to, I think the highest we got is about 777%. So guys, in this tutorial guys, I'm going to show you some basic concepts why you should trade on Kucoin and leverage on this opportunity. As of recording, we have the Lunc network upgrade carnival, where there's 1 million USDT available for users to benefit from. So you want to jump on this as soon as possible. You can see 50% wheels are buying. The Luna itself also did about 3x from 1.9 to about $5 plus to about $6. Went to about $6. So these are some of the profits you could jump on and benefit on. You can check the chart as of recording so you don't miss out on this opportunity. Now it says here, join the Lunc operate carnival to share 1 million USDT. So these are some of the announcements surrounding the Luna trends. So I'll be dropping the link to these articles so you can get familiar with this. Then also this is it. So there will be for users who have a trading volume up to $300,000, both buys and sells, you'll be getting up to 2,000 USDT free plus 35% fee coupon. If you trade up to 50,000 USDT for Luna, you'll be getting up to 300 USDT, and 10,000 USDT, you'll be getting up to 50 USDT rewards. This event is going to run from 7th to 14th. So we did a video on this already, so you can check it out. So guys, you want to jump on this as soon as possible. It says you need to go to the trading bot. So you should be able to use the grid trading bot. We dropped a tutorial on how to use Kucoin's trading bot. There are lots of tutorials we've talked about Kucoin here, so I'm going to try as much as possible to drop the video so you could get access to the trading bot tutorial on how to go about using Kucoin trading bot. But this is one of the trades we currently opened. You can see our amounts that we put. We have about 1 million Luna Classic. The value, you can see the value and the entry price. You can see the mark price. You can see the liquidation point is about 3.6. So we are still very far from our liquidation point, and as you can see the P&L we're using. We're down about 7%, and you can see our leverage and margin. So guys, you want to benefit on this, and Luna has made people lots of money. So guys, you can also send your friends the screenshots if you want to send them screenshots. Sorry for that. You want to send them screenshot, guys, so you guys can so you can also share with your friends so they can benefit from this too as much as possible. So guys, these are some of the, as of recording, you want to go over on Twitter. Luna is currently, I'm going to skip this for now. Luna is currently among the is currently trending on Twitter as of recording. Lots of people dropping feedbacks on the benefits they made and the gains they've made so far on Luna. So guys, this is it, guys. This is it. Please take note, this is not financial advice. You can go over to the latest to see the latest update on Luna and people's posts. These are some of the latest posts about 2 minutes back. This is 1 minute ago. So hopefully we should be seeing a Luna Classic back to say current top coins 1 week. You can see Luna is there. Then we should see USTC is also there. Then Luna Classic is there. So you want to follow up so you get familiar with some of the trend. Now you can see the trading volume is about 1.39 billion being traded, the volumes. Now it was even at about 2 billion initially. It has come down a little bit. So guys, If you have any questions, let me know, guys. Jump on this, trade on Kucoin, guys. Benefit from this Luna. There's currently a 1.2% tax, which is currently adding to this deflationary mechanism that is going to reduce the value of Luna to get it back to its normal side. To get it back to the point at which it's supposed to be. So it's going to burn tokens from this period, whereby both buys and sells. Kucoin is currently supporting it, so buys and sells, whenever you trade, you'll be getting a 1.2% burn tax, which is being passed by the DAO, the Luna community. So you want to benefit on this. So these are our trade, guys. This is our trade that we're currently running. So it's currently, see, we are now down by just 1%. We'll soon be in massive profit, guys. Massive profit. And I've put a stop loss at about 5. I think that's the 24-hour high. Okay, that's where I put the our take profit. So we're going to put the take profit around that figure there, so we can take profit once it gets there. So guys, any question, let me know in the comment section, guys. Peace out. Quick tip or bonus tip for users who don't know how to use futures trading. We're currently in profit now. Make sure you try as much as possible to your liquidation point should be reduced. To reduce your liquidation points, you could add more leverage, or you could reduce your add more margin, or you could reduce your leverage position to make sure you're using a reasonable leverage. So we currently are using about 5x leverage. So we do recommend you can use something lower, or you can use about something lesser than the same leverage. So guys, that's it. Peace out. Benefit on this. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Any questions, let us know. It's your bike keys. Get us to 2K followers. And peace out, guys. So this is the initial video we dropped about it, so you want to check it out. It's very helpful. This is it. Subscribe, and any questions, let me know in the comment section, guys. Peace out, guys.